Hello everyone and welcome back to Grow My Bitcoin. I'm Jared and today I'm bringing you one of the most awaited RRR Dapps of 2022. This is the beginning of the Four Horsemen ecosystem. Avaxpool by the Four Horsemen. The new trend in 2022 to reach financial independence. Avaxpool is a community-driven project. It will go live on, mark the date, the 4th of April 2022. As you can see from the intro, they have an awesome roadmap. Lots planned and many exciting things coming, including a rebasing dashboard, a bank, stablecoin, NFTs, farms, swaps, bridges, and even cross-chain expansions. So yeah, the Horsemen are not messing around. This is going to be good. Earn up to 20% daily on your staked AVEX token, a high-yield investment program developed for the Avalanche community. That's right, AVAX. Avaxpool has been launched keeping in mind the small investors to make a decent profit in these tough times, and high returns will still be continuing. So let's have a look at some key improvements that they've made. So as you can see, we have a great project here launching soon. With ROI Dapps, it's always a good idea to get in early and earn back your ROI as fast as possible. We never know when these contracts can go to zero. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't say I didn't warn you. So this is the Avaxpool website. If we open up the D app and connect our wallet to the Avalanche network, you will see a very sophisticated UI and different plans with amazing ROI. Wow, unheard of ROI just a couple of years ago. If you put the amount of AVEX into the plan, it will tell you the amount of AVEX you will get back. I personally like the plans where I can withdraw my profit daily. But if you want more profit, you can collect it at the end of your plan cycle. I will most probably experiment because the minimum deposit is very low, which makes experimentation with these D apps a lot more fun and low risk. The 6 plans are savings, classic, premium, silver, gold, and platinum. Looks like serious fun. Please join their Telegram, check out their white paper and audit. All the links are in the description below. If you have any questions, please join our Telegram channel and ask. We love helping people with DeFi and crypto. Please remember guys, this is high risk. Only invest what you are willing to lose. I hope you all keep well, and I will see all you beautiful people at my next video. Until then, remember, keep growing that Bitcoin. Bye.